I don't have to tell anyone why, but I know that this is the right decision, and I'm going to stand by my decision because I'm the leader, and this is what I'm going to do, and this is the hard thing. And good leaders make hard decisions. Hi, my name's Devon. Today I own several multi-million-dollar companies. We started with $5,000 in a credit card. I don't know the easy way. I only know the hard way. Hey everyone, welcome to the Whiteboard Entrepreneur Podcast, where I give straightforward advice to fuel the entrepreneur in all of us. Today I want to encourage you, and this is for all of those leaders out there who have to make the hard decisions. So right now I'm watching the miniseries. I think it's on Amazon. It's Jack Ryan, and it's actually really good. It's a little plug there. I'm only in the first season. I can't vouch for the other ones, but I'm in the first season, really enjoying it. And one of the things I enjoy is I like when they have these kind of behind the scenes, right, where they call the president from the CIA, hot room or whatever, the war room, and there's all these people and they have to make these decisions. And you can just tell the fun decision, the easy decision that everyone wants to make would be great, but that the right decision is the hard one. It's the one that doesn't feel good. It's the one where it's like, oh my gosh, I'm going to look like a jerk or dirtbag, and nobody's really going to understand the truth. And you can just tell there's just this anxiety and this stress on being a leader and making hard decisions and knowing that you won't ever make everybody happy. And oftentimes you won't make anyone happy. And it's tough, but I'm here to encourage you because I'm going to tell you, I've been there, and that's what great leaders do. Great leaders make hard decisions regardless of how they're going to be perceived, whether they're going to be thanked, how they're going to be viewed. And this is a tough job, right? If you're a leader, it's difficult. But I want to encourage you and let you know that you can do it. Now I'm actually not the CEO at my companies. I actually kind of get to sit back as the founder, which is really a nice, wonderful place to be because guess who has to make the hard decisions and do the hard things? It's the CEOs, right? And so I get them on the phone. I talk with them every week, sometimes several times a week. And, I'm working through helping them with their decision making. But at the end of the day, it's, they're the CEOs. They run the companies now, and that's their job. And so, they get to celebrate the successes, but, they get all the criticism, right? They're the one when they walk in, the break room, everyone shuts up, right? Or they open up the closet door and they see, the picture of the dartboard with their face, on the dartboard, right? And maybe that's you, and that's hard, right? We laugh about it and we act like it doesn't bother us, but it does. It bothers us, right? It bothers us when people don't like our decisions. It bothers us when people say things about us behind our back or to our face even, right? And as a leader, that's part of the job. And we can act like it doesn't matter, but it does. But I'm here to tell you, I'm in your corner. I'm here to encourage you, to tell you, listen, if making hard decisions was easy, everybody would be a leader. But great leaders make hard decisions. Great leaders make hard decisions. And I want to encourage you that you probably have made hard decisions and you've probably been criticized, right? It's kind of like, Batman, the Dark Knight. Nobody knows kind of what he did behind the scenes. All he does is always, looks like a bad guy and does these things, right? But he's doing it for the betterment of everybody, right? Well, that's you. You're Batman. I'm here to encourage you and tell you you're Batman. And I want to encourage you that, listen, nobody might ever know why you made the hard decision. People might always criticize you. And here's the other thing. You might have been wrong, and that's okay, but you still had the courage to do the hard thing. And I'm here to tell you that I'm on your team. I'm in your corner, and this podcast is here to encourage you. And listen, you might be thinking, well, I don't run a business. Yeah, but you still have to make hard decisions, right? Whether you're talking to your kids and you're just telling your child, listen, I know that you want to go to Billy's house, but I'm telling you, you're not going. I'm not going to tell you why. And I know that you're going to be mad at me, but listen, I'm making the hard decision for our family, and this is it. And your kid's going to be mad at you, right? You could be a coach saying, listen, I know what I'm going to do. This isn't going to be popular, but I'm benching, the best player. And here, I don't have to tell anyone why, but I know that this is the right decision, and I'm going to stand by my decision because I'm the leader, and this is what I'm going to do. And this is the hard thing. And good leaders make hard decisions. I'm here. I'm in your corner. I'm here to encourage you and tell you that I've got your back. I believe in you, and great leaders make hard decisions. This is the Whiteboard Entrepreneur Podcast, and I hope this encourages and helps you today.